On today's adventure, we're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee to check out Country Cascades Waterpark Resort's new Shipwreck Bay Indoor Water Park. We'll check out everything inside from their giant pool, super large warming spa, splash pad area, a tour of their cabanas, little kid slides, and big kid slides as we bring you on with us to their amazing tube slide that's loaded with colors and will compete against each other on their racing slides as we'll ride down on mats and try to beat each other's times. We'll also give you a quick tour of what a room is like here at Country Cascades Waterpark Resort. So without further ado, let the adventure begin. So we're out front of Country Cascades and you can see their new indoor water park with the slides that go outside the building. And they have lots of glass. Micah is getting excited looking inside as he just said there's a big giant pool. So we're gonna be able to spend some time swimming. I know he's pretty excited about that, and I'm excited to bring you guys inside.
Those racers. And
show you what the indoor park is like, because it is a little bit chilly out right now. And he just has a t-shirt on. I said, Micah, why don't you grab a jacket? And he says, because we're going to an indoor water park. It's supposed to be 70 degrees year round. So even though it's a cold day out right now, we should have some nice warm temperatures inside. So we are here in the lobby. It's November, so they're decorated for Christmas. They have all sorts of theming here at Country Cascades throughout the year. So right over here next to the check-in desk is where you would go into Shipwreck Bay. So we're gonna head in from the lobby and go over here to Shipwreck Bay. We're gonna grab a towel here, which they provide for you. Michael, you wanna get 2 towels for us? One for me, one for you. There we go. We have Roseanne, who's the Aquatics director, who's gonna give us a little tour of the new indoor water park. So where do we start when we come in, Roseanne?
welcome, friends. Well, we're going to start at our fabulous marketplace where you're going to pick up your towels, any supplies that you may have forgotten. Then you're going to come out here and join us at our Bayside Lagoon. We have a 25-yard lap lane. You can play some basketball, have some fun, splash around. Next, we go to Braxton Beaver Shipwreck. That's our key center point. We have 2 slides on there with lots of interactive features. Then we can move up to Priscilla Fox's Lasso Loop. You take a tube or you can race your best friend down the slide. And then after the slides, join us in the warming spa.
So there are lots of seats that we could utilize if you come down here, if you're staying, but you also have some cabanas.
We do, right this way, and we'll show you our fabulous Friendship Forest cabanas. So you can enjoy them with fans, lighting, their own micro fridges, push seating for everybody to enjoy.
Roseanne, as we work over to these slides, tell me a little bit about the height weight requirements, because I know there's a lot of kids thinking, am I tall enough to be able to do anything in here?
Absolutely. For Braxton Beaver Shipwreck, you must be at least 36 inches tall. Our big slides are a minimum of 42 inches tall. You can take a tube down one of the slides, or you can race your best friend, grabbing a mat and headed to the top of our 4-story slide.
So it feels pretty good in here. This is 70 degrees year-round.
It is nice and comfortable year-round temperature, so if it's cold outside, you can come inside, kick back, and pretend that you're in the tropics.
If we come down here and we're getting hungry for some lunch or dinner, are we able to get some food inside?
Absolutely. We have our snack shack. You can order from our snack shack with our variety menu with chicken tenders, pizza, salads for those healthy options. We also have where you can do your ordering from your seat. You never have to get up and go to wait in line. You can just place your mobile order and have that delivered directly to your chair or to your cabana.
What time does this open and what time does it close every day?
So daily, we are open 9 a.m. to 11 p.m., giving you ample opportunity to come and have some fun.
Over here, they do have some life jackets available for you when you first come in. As Roseanne was saying, there are 4 cabanas that you're able to rent. Each one has a different character. We're heading over here to head with Susie Sue, the skunk, for the afternoon. All 4 have the same kind of layout. You got this big comfy chair over here and this couch.
So a little bit of a corner if you have a little one that's kind of tired and just needs a quiet place. And you got lots of place for storage. And if you are going to get some food, you can enjoy it here on this little table. You have your own fridge. They do have a standard charging outlet, no USB. So if you are going to be here for the day and you have a tablet or a phone, just make sure you have a way to plug it in. They also have the two upstairs, we can go check out real quick, which have the same setup as the one downstairs, but does have these nice little rockers. So I think downstairs is perfectly fine, but I think I kind of like the upstairs cabana as a parent or grandparent to sit here in one of these nice little cozy rocking chairs and look down at all the kids or grandkids. I just want to give you a little closer look at the splash pad area. You've got a little treasure chest shooting out water as you come up to the pirate ship over here. And we do have a gun. Micah, I think we got to try out this gun. Can you get it to fire? No, no, no. We keep it that direction away from Dad. So if you have a sibling going down the slide, can you get the person coming? Oh yeah, you can definitely get the person coming down the slide, your brother or sister. Does it get people in the pool? That's the question. Will it swing all the way around? No, it has a stopping point. So you can get your siblings in the splash pad area or over here on the slide with this gun. Here is a look at their hot tub, which is pretty massive. You can definitely have a lot of people here in this hot tub. And again, they have two different types of slides that you can climb up the stairs to ride. I'm gonna stick a action camera on in just a little bit and give you a look at what it's like to go down these two slides. Now that we were able to have some lunch, we're ready to go do some slides. We just gotta get into our bathing suits, Micah. Let's see if we can do a little movie magic here. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. That's the easiest change I've ever done. All right, let's go try out these slides. So we have the taller blue slide and the yellow slide over here on the pirate ship, which again, you just need to be 36 inches, which I think Micah clearly has far surpassed that. So we can't do the blue one today. They're doing some work on it, but Micah can hop on the yellow one here. There he comes. The yellow one that Micah did, and you have a taller, a little bit longer blue one. So now that we made it to the top of the stairs, you have 3 different slides. It's 2 types of slides. So you have your 2 racers right here. You can race against a friend or family member. And here is your tube slide, which I'm gonna switch cameras and take you for a ride down this slide. Now that we've tried the tube slide, we're gonna do a race through these 2 slides and show you what it's like to ride down this. we've enjoyed some time going down the slides, and we noticed this little cart that came rolling in, which is their snow cone machine. They bring out by the pool every day between 2 and 3. They have different seasonal flavors. So Micah is getting polar bear blue. Micah, which one should I get?
Whatever one you think.
So we're gonna try out the poinsettia punch and sour Grinch. Is that flavor pretty strong? Does it have a punch?
It has a punch to it.
Yes, thank you so much.
Welcome, enjoy it.
So it's a very cold day outside, but very warm in here, and we're able to enjoy our snow cones. This is a nice way to spend Thanksgiving break, huh? With your dad, having a snow cone at an indoor water park. Much better than doing school right now, right? Indeed. So again, if you are coming here, remember 2 to 2:30 every day. They'll have the snow cone machine out there, and you can pick out whatever flavors you want. You want to switch? Poinsettia punch and Grinch. We're going to enjoy our snow cones and go swim in the pool. They do have some restrooms down here, and they also have a snack shack that you can walk up to, or if you're in a cabana, you're able to order anything and they'll bring it right to you. There's no one in the pool, so I think I need to beat Micah in a game of basketball over in this big, giant, warm pool. I already did feel it, and it feels fantastic. As cold of a day it is outside, it's really nice to come in here and get into this big, giant, warm pool. So we actually ran into Braxton. Well done on your Shipwreck Bay. We really had a good time. You did a lot of work on it. Really love the slides. We're actually gonna go show off one of the rooms. All right, see you later. I'm gonna show you what one of their rooms are like here at Country Cascades. They have all sorts of different activities for kids, like gem mining and different snacks that you can get. A little store over here. They have a candies, which has all sorts of good, sweet treats around the corner. I'll show you in a second. This is kind of their indoor game area if it is a really cold or hot day. They have different characters come out over in this part of Country Cascades throughout the day, and different activities they do. You've got a little place you can come in here and have an all you care to eat breakfast. At this location, they also have a pizza place. Micah ended up just getting a cheeseburger for lunch earlier, and he was pretty happy with that, with some French fries. And then they have an ice cream shop down here. Let's check out this little candy store real quick before we go check out a room. Oh, wow. Do you smell that popcorn, Micah?
Yes.
Oh, good. It smells so good.
Cheesy popcorn.
Oh, cheesy popcorn does smell so good. Wait, I heard the S word. Sample? Oh, she said we can sample.
Can I try the cheddar popcorn?
The popcorn drew us in. You tried the cheddar. This one's like a loaded baked potato. Which one do you like, right? The regular cheddar or the loaded baked potato?
The loaded baked potato.
Loaded baked potato for the win. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Y'all having a good time?
Oh yeah, thank you. We've also got all sorts of different flavored fudges and fun treats that you can get over here. So we got a little distracted with the popcorn samples, but I wanted to bring you to one of the Country Cascades room so you can see what they're like. We actually wanted to check out their cabin suite now that we've checked out the pool, and it has these 2 bunk beds, so 4 twin beds when you first come in, and you have a cool little thing over here, Micah, that actually has like a scavenger hunt. When you do check in here, they have this treasure hunt, And as you find the different clues around the room, you're able to get the correct code to open this up. And it has some goodies in there. Here's a look at the bathroom. You have a tub shower, so if you do have some little ones, you're able to utilize the tub for them. And you got a little shared vanity across from the bathroom. And then you have a king bed right here. I love the bears all over the bed. You got a bear on the artwork here in the corner. We've got a little chair right here by the AC unit. And if we go outside, here's a look at your outdoor patio, which looks out at the outdoor pool, which is closed now. It closed down October 20th, but it should open up, I believe, sometime in May. You can check out their website for exactly when that will open up. So you get a nice little view out into the woods from this particular room. And you have this little cubby area in the corner that everyone could utilize, along with a desk and TV. But there is a look at this particular room that you could stay here at Country Cascades. If you're trying to figure out where is Country Cascades located, it's right behind the Jurassic Jungle boat ride in Pigeon Forge, which would be this giant green building right here. And you just drive past that from the main parkway back here, and you would find Country Cascades and their brand new indoor water park. So Micah, did you have a good day at Country Cascades' new indoor water park?
Yes.
What was your favorite part of everything we did?
Definitely the blue and the white side.
The tube slide.
Yeah.
That you sit on a tube. Not the racers, because I kept beating you, right?
No, I beat you twice. You beat me twice.
It's debatable. I mean, I did give you a good head start, but...
Yeah, but the first time I beat you, you didn't give me any head start.
I think we might have to come back and do some more competitions on that slider race.
Yes.
That was a lot of fun.
I will beat you again.
We'll see. I love that tube slide. It was a lot of fun. It's not too scary. It doesn't go too fast. The pool is nice and warm. We played some basketball. I just enjoyed playing tag and basketball with you in the pool. But a big thank you to Country Cascades for having us check out their new indoor water park. If you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, enjoyable in any way, do us a favor, simply hit that thumbs up button down below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.
Bye.
Go ahead.
Okay.